Katapat nito ang Hagia Sophia Mosque.
In 1600, this was actually a Greek Orthodox church, and it stayed this way until around 1450, and then it became a mosque. From 1450 until recently, I would want to say recently, until 1937, they actually converted it from a mosque into a museum.
Considered as the eighth wonder of the world by most art historians, this museum has mostly retained its majestic color over the years. Di naman kalayuan ang Hippodrome. This used to be a huge stadium. Naging saksi ito sa madalas na pag-aatlas ng Ottoman Empire pa ang tawag sa Turkey.
Come here, I got foodie for you. Come here. You know you want some. Kasi, kanina, naganap naman na surprise pa naman on my arm. Pwede ba naman yun? So I don't want another green and white. Look. Meron pang evidence. Look at that. See, I'm not lying. Look at that. Someone left naman evidence naman for me.
Ngayon, isang plaza na lang ito. Dahil malaking bahagi na ito, naging kalsada na. Mainit man at buhol-buhol ang traffic dito sa pinakamalaking syudad ng Turkey, ang Istanbul. You'll still feel the urge to walk and just feel what life was like before. Dahil dito, di lang West at East ang nagtatagpo, kundi ang nakaraan at ang kasalukuyan. Speaking of kasalukuyan, I'll start with my first mission here in Turkey. Clue? Nakakahalinang galaw. At siya pong nakakabaliw. O alam nyo na, kumanda, dahil ipapakita ko yan mamaya.
Okay, it's like this. Like that. 1. Do this first. 1, 2, 3. Then with the hand. 1, 2. And the next part. Ta-ta. Shimmery, shimmery, ta-ta-ta. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Ta-ta-shimmery, shimmery, shimmery. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Ang sakit.